Renovating your home can feel overwhelming, especially if you purchased a home that's a major fixer-upper and you're strapped for cash. While a complete home remodel may be out of the question, there are many things you can do quickly and easily to boost your home's beauty and value. Try resurfacing your cabinets for a smooth, clean look. Next, invest in some chic matte finish paint. Matte finishes look far more modern than eggshell, but you should stick to lighter colors for an airy feel. Once the painting is completed, you can shop around for stylish cabinet hardware. Some smart enhancements that won't break the bank include a smart thermostat, lighting, keypad door locks, fire detectors, and security cameras. Add a few statement lights to your dining room or master bedroom, and consider replacing the cheap plastic light switch covers with something more elegant. A power washing session can restore driveways, siding, decks, patios, gutters, roofs, and sidewalks to their original sparkling glory. To improve the look of your home and add value to it, there are several things you can do without going broke in the process. If you're ready to start your VA loan, check your eligibility with MHS here today.